I guess we have to see each other every day like this now. Okay, here are some news. Apple released iOS 7.0.3 that says it's gonna take care of the overheating issues, but at the same time, Instagram released 3.3 update to their garbage Instagram app. And I wanna see a couple of things. First of all, I wanna see if the new iOS release throttled the iPhone. And to see that, I have two iPhone 15 Pro Maxes here, and this one is set to iOS 17.0.3 and this one is set to iOS 17.1 beta 2, and unfortunately we have to run Geekbench 6. But of course, let's first check out the temperature. This is the one with iOS 17.0.3, so we are at 82 degrees and we are at 83 degrees with that one. Let's hit CPU benchmark. 1, 2, 3. All right. While this is happening, I also want to talk to you about what I want to do. First of all, you know, I'm obsessed with to see who came up with the fix. Is it Instagram or is it Apple? And here's what I want to see. I want Apple to stop apps behaving this way. You know how we see this notification on our macOS when it says like Chrome is consuming too much energy, you know, when we click on the battery. I would really like something like that on my iPhone. So it says something like Instagram is running your CPU like crazy. So would you like to, you know, throttle it? Because otherwise, if Apple goes and throttles these apps that behaves this way, then the developers can say, hey, they're throttling our apps. You know, so they gotta be more transparent. They can be more transparent about that. So I want to see who fixed what. And if you don't know, if you haven't been following my previous two videos, what we have discovered is Instagram runs your CPU like crazy, drains 1% battery per minute. It overheats and it damages your battery health due to overheat and due to, you know, draining your phone. And we discovered that this only happens on certain accounts and it may be related to their A/B testing. So what I want to see is who fixed it. And I'm ready for this. I have one iPad here that is on iOS 7.1, and then I have one iPad back there that is updating right now. Maybe it's complete. And that is on the new iPadOS, 17.0.3. And with the iPads, you'll see in a second. So we're waiting for the Geekbench. Going head to head, I'm guessing it's going to be similar results. Yeah, I don't see any throttling. These are good. So no, they didn't throttle anything. And just to see that, you know, I unboxed an iPhone for you. So yeah. So let's go to our iPad. So this iPad has iOS 17.1 beta 2. So I didn't update this iPad. We have our CPU monitor up. Now I'm gonna carry my Instagram in here. I hope you can see it. Oh, we're too close. I'm gonna put my Instagram app in here. And what do you know? Look at this right side. Look at this right side. Instagram fixed their app. Let's switch to the other account. I see a little bit of jump here, and then we go back. And then jump back to my account. Confetti, please. Send them confettis. Yeah, it was the Instagram app. Eat it, anyone who objected. Eat this video. Eat it. Bring your phone to your mouth or whatever you're watching this on. It was the app. They fixed the app. All right. So as the second part of our tests, now I have an iPad in front of me with the updated iOS 17.0.3, but I didn't update the Instagram app. So we have our trusty CPU monitor here. By the way, I just just updated this iPad, so I think it's doing its indexing and stuff in the background. So now what we're gonna do is we're also gonna launch our Instagram app. And we're gonna put the CPU monitor next to it. This is the updated iPad to the overheating solved version of 17.0.3, and I haven't updated Instagram yet. So, guys, it was the Instagram. It was the Instagram. We're still getting the, look at that. Look at these, look at the difference of these graphics. This is the updated Instagram app. Oh, look at that. This is the previous with the updated iOS. So, oh man, Instagram sucks, I guess. Sucks to be you. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna quit this app. We're gonna go to our app store and I'm gonna update. How many minutes? How many minutes have we been recording? I don't know, it doesn't matter. We're friends now. We're friends. What's your name? Leave me in the comments below. And I'm gonna put this right next to our CPU monitor. And everything is back to normal. The other iPad that is not updated seems to be doing fine. This iPad seems to be doing fine. It's warmer because we were running the bad Instagram. So yeah, oh look at that. Almost nothing. Yes, that's what we want to see. All right, now our, oh my hair is hilarious. Okay, our final test, as you can see on this one, I have the previous Instagram, and on this one, I have the updated Instagram, and this one is on iOS 17.1 beta 2, and this one is on the new overheat fixing iOS 17.0.3. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna update this app. Let's see what temperature these guys are at. We're at 88, 89 on this one. So we're gonna launch Instagram on both of them and go to my main account. Yeah, so let's summarize. So while we're waiting for this, let's summarize. As far as my findings show, iOS, the new iOS that takes care of the overheat issue, does not throttle your phone. That's number one. Number two, it was Instagram app's fault. And as we've discovered before, it was certain accounts that was causing the overheat. And we don't know why, but they fixed it and it's gone. But they fixed it regardless of what iOS 17 you're on. So you can be on whatever iOS 17 you want. As long as you are on the newest Instagram app, your phone is not gonna heat up. What is this? 88? 89? 89? Yeah. So that's it. We did it. We did it. We finished this quest. Finished. Achievement received. What did I receive? I don't know. Well, thank you very much for watching this episode. This point and shoot style videos. It has been a lot of fun. And I hope you enjoyed it too. Please let me know in the comment section below. What did you think about all of this? And yeah, until I see you the next time. Do I have to review these phones now? I made so many. I made so many stuff. Okay, love you guys. Subs if you loved it. Loves if you dubbed it. And then I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we're good. Oh, this is nothing. This is nothing. we are good. Okay, bye.